Official chair ball. This 52 cm balance ball is made exclusively for the Gaiam classic balance ball chair models, including backless, as an extra or replacement ball, chair not included. Boost energy levels. Using the same ball as the exercise guide, this chair helps to build a healthier core, align the spine, relieve back pain and stiffness, boost energy levels and increase productivity with an active body and a focused and engaged mind. Recommended user height. Designed for users 5 to 511 tall and fits most standard height desks. For a taller chair, add 2 inches with Gaiam's compatible leg extenders, sold separately. 300-pound weight capacity. Remove ball from chair for workouts. Remove the balance ball from the chair to perform core workouts and stretching routines. Inflation instructions. For a perfect fit, it may be necessary to re-inflate the ball once or twice after the initial inflation to stretch to its final size. Inflate ball with air, let stand for 24 hours, deflate 50% then fill again to 52 cm height. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement ball for my office chair. Perfect replacement for my chair. I do agree with other reviewers that you need to blow up the ball to half size the first day, the inflate more on day 2. But once it's completely inflated, it is the correct size to fit the chair.